Oh.
What?
It's recording?
Yeah, now it is. You just press the button.
Oh.
Alright, so after FedEx delayed our shit, which is a pain in the ass with live shipments, finally have a package. Let's get this bad boy open. Okay, we have our invoice here. No false cards. Nice thick foam, insulating foam. It'd be nice if the feeder companies shipped with some real foam. Packing. It's really warm in here, which is nice. Got a bundle. Heat packs taped to the side. They do 2 holes in it. Because heat packs get air, they get warmer. So let's get it open. Let's see what we got here. The green bottle blue. Got a OBT. Looking forward to the shenanigans that entails. Got a El Periabana. And a B Abopossum curly hair. So, go ahead and I'm going to grab some tweezers real quick and we'll start popping these open. Alright, we're going to start with what in theory should be the least ornery. So, super tiny curly hair. This one's the freebie. You have to pull the plug out. Oh my god. So tiny. I'm just always amazed at how tiny brackies are when you first get them.
I'm gonna swoop in.
He could actually just live in this vial for a while with some substrate. That's probably what we'll do. But that is a tarantula, believe it or not. Okay, that's cool. Alive and well. Should be the smallest one. It's been a while since I've had one of these guys. I'm pretty excited. Oh, he's coming on his own. No, you are green bottle blue to a T. That is pretty much how you are. Hey, stop it. Sometimes you bang on the table and they stop moving. Hey, get back over here. Can we not play the green bottle blue game, please? Can we not play the green bottle blue game, please? God, I hate this game.
There we go.
And for those of you that don't know, that is the green bottle blue game. Every time I've rehoused one, that has been the game. Should have known better. This is an El Periabana, really, really tiny, and I'm really excited to get one because I haven't ever had one. I've always really wanted one.
How big is that one gonna get?
This will someday be an 8 to 9 inch spider.
That's crazy.
And that guy is clearly webbing already.
Oh.
Normally, I wouldn't unpackage this one directly, but let's just see what we got going here.
And this one's the...
This is an OBT. I'm looking forward to having this guy too. Just not looking forward to it being pissed after I just tore this packaging apart. Okay. He is moving. And OBTs are what we call teleport fast, so I'd rather not.
He's underneath.
I know. Rather not
Maybe
get
just...
fussy with him.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. That's where we want him.
Got him.
There he is.
There we go. Let's put a lid on that.
Yeah, everybody loves an OBT. Alright. So, everything's alive and well so far. And we got one more thing. Here. Got this little guy. I'm not worried about him.
Who's that? Is that a baby toast?
Yep.
Aw. We'll call him Bagel.
Come on. And actually, it looks like he's in pre-molt.
Oh.
We're starting it. Come on. Perhaps in hindsight, it's not as good that I shot that lid across the room.
You stay in put. You're fine.
Alright, everything's good to go. Nobody died, even with the FedEx holdup. Happy with everything.
Oh, you can see them all in there.